In Lesson 6 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, the scale of F major is extended to 2 octaves. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. This provides explanations and important exercises, and it is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. The scale of F major crosses the break using the flat break pattern, crossing from B flat to right hand C. This requires careful control of the left thumb and index finger. The left thumb has 4 distinct positions, covering the thumb hole, covering the thumb hole with the speaker open, with both thumb hole and speaker open when playing B flat, and lifted off the instrument altogether when playing open G. This requires flexibility and precision. Exercise 8 will help you to develop this. Here is the scale of F major for 2 octaves. The relative minor of F major is D minor, which you will learn for a 12th, going as far as A in the 2nd register. The raised 7th note in D minor is C sharp, which can be played with either hand, but the left hand fingering is recommended, and will be applied throughout this series of lessons. You will see from this that D minor does not cross the break by any of the 3 main break fingering patterns. Exercise 9 will help you with the necessary finger movement. Here is the scale of D minor for a 12th. You will have noticed that the practice plans are getting longer with each lesson. However, if you have worked through all the previous practice plans meticulously, it should take you very little time to drill all the items you have covered in previous lessons. If you feel you're struggling, spend an extra week or so alternating days 5 and 6 before moving on to lesson 7.